Cryptoclidus lived in a time when the oceans were warm, shallow, and alive with movement. The Jurassic Sea spread across vast continental shelves, covering what are now fields and mountains with clear, sunlit water. In this environment, speed alone was not enough to survive. Precision, balance, and control defined success. Cryptoclidus evolved as a creature perfectly suited to this quieter, more delicate form of marine predation. First identified from fossil remains in Europe, Cryptoclidus belonged to the plesiosaur group, a lineage of marine reptiles that returned to the sea after their ancestors had adapted to life on land. Unlike the distant terrestrial relatives, plesiosaurs reshaped their bodies completely, trading legs for flippers, lungs for controlled buoyancy, and rigid necks for long, flexible extensions that allowed access to food without disturbing the surrounding water. Cryptoclidus was medium-sized compared to other plesiosaurs, neither enormous nor fragile. Its body was broad and stable, designed to glide smoothly through the water. 4 powerful flippers acted like underwater wings, providing lift, steering, and propulsion. Rather than relying on tail movement like fish, Cryptoclidus flew through the sea, its flippers beating in coordinated rhythms that allowed precise control over direction and speed. The most striking feature of Cryptoclidus was its long neck. Composed of numerous vertebrae, the neck was flexible yet strong, capable of slow, deliberate motion. This design allowed Cryptoclidus to keep its bulky body at a distance while extending its head into schools of small fish, squid, and crustaceans. By minimizing water disturbance, it avoided startling prey, striking quietly and efficiently. The skull of Cryptoclidus was relatively small and lightly built, with slender jaws lined with fine, needle-like teeth. These teeth were not designed for tearing large prey but for gripping slippery animals and preventing escape. Feeding was a matter of precision rather than force, snapping shut on small prey and swallowing it whole. Vision played a key role in this hunting strategy. Large eyes suggest sensitivity to low light, allowing Cryptoclidus to hunt during dawn, dusk, or in slightly deeper waters where light was reduced. Combined with a stable swimming posture, this visual acuity made it an effective hunter even in complex reef-like environments. Behaviorally, Cryptoclidus was likely calm and deliberate. Unlike fast-pursued predators, it relied on patience and positioning. It may have followed coastlines, reefs, and shallow basins where small prey gathered in abundance. Its movements would have appeared almost effortless, a slow glide punctuated by sudden precise strikes of the head. Reproduction required a return to the surface world. Like all marine reptiles, Cryptoclidus breathed air and likely gave birth to live young rather than laying eggs on land. This adaptation reduced vulnerability and allowed young to enter the water immediately, already capable of swimming. Juveniles likely stayed in shallow, protected waters where food was plentiful and predators fewer. Predators were a constant presence in Jurassic seas. Larger plesiosaurs, and early marine crocodile relatives posed serious threats. Cryptoclidus survived not through confrontation, but through awareness and positioning. Its ability to maneuver precisely and maintain distance from danger was its primary defense. Ecologically, Cryptoclidus occupied a critical middle position. It controlled populations of small marine animals while serving as prey for larger predators. This balance helped stabilize food webs in Jurassic marine ecosystems, contributing to the richness and diversity preserved in the fossil record. Over time, environmental changes reshaped the oceans. Sea levels fluctuated, climates shifted, and new predators emerged. Cryptoclidus, like many specialized marine reptiles, eventually disappeared as ecosystems transformed. Its extinction was not sudden, but part of a long process of ecological turnover that marked the end of an era. Yet Cryptoclidus remains important. It represents a refined solution to life in shallow seas, a reminder that evolution does not always favor extremes. Sometimes it favors balance, control, and subtlety. In the quiet Jurassic waters, Cryptoclidus moved without urgency, its long neck tracing slow arcs through the sea. It hunted without chaos, lived without excess, and vanished without drama. What remains is a story written in stone, a testament to a time when the oceans belonged to creatures shaped not by speed alone, but by grace.